Good morning, Mr. Mithwail, and thank you so much for coming to talk to us. For all our viewers, Mithwail is the principal of a school in a place very close to Madurai, and he's been doing a lot of work. Not only being a principal and taking care of his school, he is doing a lot of work in the area of parenting as well in that area. So Muthuvel has been a part of our parent as coach and counselor course. So just Mr. Muthuvel, how did you find this course, parent as coach and counselor, and how is it helping you in your current profession?
Yeah, actually, I want to thank Girish Panikar for giving me an opportunity to learn about this course. Actually, it was really an amazing course. I recommend for every parent to take this course actually, because being in the profession of schools, I have learned many tricks and things from this program, and which is very useful for my children as well as to my school kids also. So parenting is not a simple thing, because like a person who completed engineering can become an engineer, and a person who studied medicine can become a doctor. But for being a parent, you don't need to study anything, but you have to study something, right? That is that I have learned from parenting as a coach program conducted by Mr. Girish. Thank you so much for that opportunity, Mr. Girish.
Good. Now, see what happens. What questions I get from parents is, they say, "Sir, my son is not behaving properly. My son is not having good habits. My son is back answering. Can you give me small tips and tricks?" No, people are expecting quick fixes, but I believe that you can't do anything in 1 day or 2 days. Correct? No.
True.
It's the process which you need to undergo, and that's how we decide. So, how is this course helping a parent so that they change their mindset, right? And from that point, how do you feel that this course is structured for people to take it in a long-term manner? Because it's for 90 days that we have designed this course.
Yeah, yes. Actually, the parents who are asking, having a bucket list of complaints on their child, definitely I recommend people to join this program, because after this 90 days program, you will not have any complaints. I'm very much sure on it, because you will get to understand what is the mind, what is brain, how it is configured for our children, and how does it vary from adult and the child, and the gap between the adult and child is filled in this course. So as a parent, if you take this course, you will get to know that making complaints itself is an unuseful thing. So you will get a lot of ideas how to handle the situations actually. So that is what I learned from this program. That was really excited. I felt very excited on attending this program.
Right. And one more thing, what we've added in this now, Muthuvel, is I've done a lot of workshops earlier, but everybody is happy with the workshop. But if you meet them after 20 days or 30 days, they are again back into their same patterns. So we've created this mastermind sessions every Wednesday for 90 days, 12 weeks of mastermind, so that the parents are able to take the course, understand it, have discussions, and take it forward. So how do you feel these mastermind sessions have helped you in particular?
Yeah, actually, I was more focused on the course. So I have completed the course in a very short period.
Yes, you're the fastest to complete, yes.
Once after completing itself, I got the overall picture of the program. And this mastermind program actually connected me with a lot of parents who's having a similar kind of problems, and also it is a forum where we can discuss and find solution for their individual problems actually. The course itself is giving you an excellent eye-opening to all the questions whichever we have on parenting. But this mastermind program added value. It added the value for the course which I spent money on it, because many of the people will say that this problem is only for me. Particularly, all the parents used to think this problem is only for me. But when they come for mastermind session, they can understand that everywhere the kids are kids, and everyone is having the same problem. And but the solution is not the same actually. The solution is depend on the environment and the parent and the situation to the child which is happening. So, but this mastermind program is giving an overview picture and as well as individuals problems solutions. I felt very happy on attending all the mastermind program. I think I have not skipped any mastermind program too.
Absolutely. So, as your current role, because you are dealing with children and parents, no, both are there for you, right? In your role as a principal, did the course actually help you in handling situations in a much better manner than previously?
Yeah, 100% I will say, and even I will add another one thing. Like after attending this program, only I got an overview of being parent itself. So how does it help me is with my wife I attended the program actually, the courses and all, and we both got a very good overview, and we started dealing our child in that way. So it helped me to manage parents also in the school also. Because like whenever the people comes with, always the parents will come with the complaint box, right? He's not studying, he's handling mobile phone, he's not studying, he's playing, all those things they will have, they will come up. And after 15-20 minutes after I speak with them, they will get into know that, okay, I think I should not be a complaint box, and better I should understand my child. This is the feedback I have got from my parent customers also. I will say as customer, right? Yes. So I felt very happy on being part of this program, and it helped me a lot. I can see the differences, and that induced me to be a parent coach also, privately as well as personally.
So thank you so much, Muthuvel, for spending your time. I know you are in college and you have taken out time to speak to us, so that's very nice. Our idea is to create a community of parents, wherein parents will be there for parents, and we don't have a community like that, right? We have groups of so many things, but we don't have a community for parents where parents will be there to help out each other, share things that they've learned, ask questions for what they have not learned, for what they have problems, and the community itself will be there for us to help each other forward. So thank you very much, Mr. Muthuvel, for being part of this course and also using it in your work area, and also able to get good results both from children and from parents. Because I feel, as you said, we don't have a training for parents, and everybody takes parenting as granted, but there are certain things that we need to understand as parents which will help us grow better and also help our children as well grow better. So thank you very much for spending time with us, and thank you for being part of our community as well. So all the best, and thank you for spending time today.
Thank you so much, Girish.